Now is available at McCarthy Cars Toyota RAV4 Hybrid 65 plate 2015. Car has daylights, has parking sensors at front, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors, got reversing camera, electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, full black leather interior, ISOFIX, electric seat, electric and the folding mirrors. Car has satellite navigation, reversing camera, Bluetooth telephone connection, Bluetooth audio, 2-zone climate control aircon. Car has heated seats, driving mode, Eco Sport mode, central cup holders, automatic gearbox. Thank you for watching.